Hello everyone. Today the purpose of my screencast is to teach you how to make a screencast. Again, this is another option that you'll have for your article of the week responses, to make your very own screencast for it. So here it is. First, go up to your search bar and you're going to type in Screencast-O-Matic.com. Everybody see this up here, top left corner? Screencast-O-Matic.com. Alright, so when I log in, it's going to immediately go to my, give me 1 second, remove this little. It's going to immediately go to my account. I have an account. So I'm going to log out very quickly here. And then this is what you guys will see, okay, when you get into it. So you're going to sign up for free. You're going to provide your student email account. So mine would be, whoops. All right, you're going to leave this box unchecked, and then you're going to click sign up. Welcome, it says. Email has been sent to verify your address. Check your email account and click the link we sent to finish signing up. So I'm going to close this very quickly, pause the screencast, go into my email, and then follow the link that it sent me on my email. And then I will restart after I have done that. Alright, as I was saying, so now I follow the link, and it has brought me here to the create an account page. So you're going to enter your name and password to set up an account. Password, make sure it's something that you remember. Ideally, it will be the same password that you use to log in to your student account. You're going to want to not check this first box here. Send me important updates, tips, and tricks, and special offers. You do not want to check this box, or else your inbox will become full of a bunch of meaningless emails. You do, however, have to check the I agree to the terms and services box. So then you create your account. And here you are. Okay, so what you're going to want to do at this point is very, very simple. Luckily, Screencast-O-Matic makes it very, very simple. You're going to click Start Recorder. Okay? Now, as you can see, it's already open. So I'm going to do my best to describe it to you very quickly right now. What will happen after you start your recording is that a box will appear around your screen, and you can adjust the edges of that box. Let me go to my own page here. Okay. From that point, down in this area of your screen, there will be a toolbar which will give you options for recording. In the small toolbar area, there will be a microphone. You need to see green bars going out from the microphone. If you do not see green bars going out from the microphone, it means that your microphone is not picking up sound. Okay? From that point on, what you'll need to do is press record. It'll be down right below the bottom edge of the screen, and it'll be a red button. Once you select that, it will give you 3 seconds, and then you'll be able to go from there. Okay? Beyond that, it's all very simple. After you press stop, you'll click done, and then it will give you a series of options as to what to do for your finished product. Now, for you guys, I am not going to allow you to post anything onto YouTube. You will need to save all of your video recordings into a folder. So you follow that option which says save to your computer, you name it and you save it, and then you can take it and you can post it in an email to me, or you can post it on the Google Classroom, and that is what will allow you to submit your assignment. Okay? So this was just a very, very quick screencast on how to set up Screencast-O-Matic. I'm guessing it'll take a little bit more time and focus in class to walk everybody through this, so we will do this all together in class as well. This is just something for you to reference if necessary. Another very quick reminder, this is your Screencast-O-Matic assignment page. It'll be on the Google Classroom. So when you're actually doing the assignment, there is a grading checklist here. It'll tell you everything that you need to know. Now, when you actually do the assignment, you're going to be annotating your article or showing us your annotated article in your screencast. So one of the major things you're going to be graded on is that your article annotations are complete and your annotation guide is displayed. So this is the checklist. You guys can go through this on your own time. If you do choose this assignment, we will probably talk about it together in class as well. Okay. As always, any questions, please approach me in class, send me an email, or post them onto the Google Classroom. Thanks for listening.